Here is the 6 habits of people with high IQ. 1. They talk to themselves. Talking to yourself helps you think better and solve problems more easily. 2. They have a high sense of humor. Enjoying jokes and funny things can make you more creative and better at handling difficult situations. 3. They like solitude. Spending time alone helps you think deeply and learn more about yourself. 4. They are open-minded. Being open-minded means you're willing to consider new ideas, which can help you solve problems and come up with new things. 5. They have high observation skills. Noticing and understanding things well can help you make better decisions and understand the world around you. 6. They do not complain. They produce solutions instead of just talking about problems. Focusing on solutions helps you be more proactive and make positive changes. If you were able to watch until here, let me know by commenting a fire emoji as it shows. You are a person who always wants to be better every day.